Struggling to make money on YouTube? Fear not, we have the answers for you right here. You're very welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to talk about is a couple of different methods that you can use YouTube to monetize. So you're not relying on YouTube ads because of the crackdown basically of the monetization process. Now, unless you were a very big channel anyway, the YouTube ads didn't mean a whole lot to you. But I'm going to go through 5 different ways here that you can make money directly or indirectly from YouTube. So stick around, check them out, and stay around till the very end, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get stuck in. How to make money on YouTube. Let's do it. So, making money on YouTube. What are the secrets? Well, don't get bogged down if you're a small channel, like this particular channel I'm uploading this video to is. Don't get bogged down with ad revenue and view time and all that good stuff. There's a couple of different options you have when it comes to making money online. The convenience and far reach of the internet has given millions of people the ability to make a living by monetizing just about any skill set, talent or opportunity. But as is the case with any money making venture, a lot of misconceptions surround certain strategies, and especially when it comes to YouTube. Specifically, you can consistently see the platform's name rise to the top in articles about making money from home. Yet, while you can certainly make money with YouTube, the objective is not usually achieved in the traditional manner everyone wants you to believe. In fact, to make money from YouTube, you have to dig a little deeper and establish a more sustainable strategy. Now, the challenges of making money on YouTube. The YouTube make goes like this. You post a few videos, attract a couple of viewers, and then they cash in, ching ching, on the revenue generated from ads. It sounds simple, it sounds quick, so that's the story everyone regurgitates and uses to sell get rich quick schemes. We don't want to talk about get rich quick, we want to talk about get rich for sure. However, the reality is that you cannot make a healthy income based on YouTube ad revenue alone. Unless you have a massive channel with a massive following, you only get about $2 or $3 per 1,000 views, so you need to be getting millions of views. That's just not happening for most people. Even if advertisers are paying a decent amount to promote their products through video ads, only a proportion of their expenditures ever make it into content creators' pockets, says entrepreneur M. Johnson. For example, if advertisers are paying an average of $20 per 1,000 ad impressions, the videos where ads are being shown are only generating $2 or $3 per 1,000 views. In other words, you're only going to make a couple of $1,000s for every million views. And make no mistake about it, getting a million views is very challenging. The good news is, YouTube ads aren't the only revenue generating opportunities for creative individuals willing to work hard and to develop actual business plans. In order to earn a healthy income from YouTube, stop viewing the platform as a monetizable medium in of itself. Think of YouTube as a catalyst. The real way to make money from YouTube is to leverage its massive network. And here's a couple of ideas how. You can sell your own goods, link them to your eBay store, Shopify or your Amazon FBA. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world behind Google? And Google actually owns YouTube. From a marketing point of view, it doesn't make sense to ignore this massive resource. One of the best money making opportunities is to use YouTube to sell your own physical products, whether that be on Shopify, as I say, eBay, Amazon, wherever you're selling. Let's assume you already have a product to sell. You can set up an e-commerce storefront using, say, like Shopify. Then produce videos that fit into your product's niche. At the end of the videos, you can produce calculated CTAs that funnel traffic to your product landing pages. There's obviously a lot more to it, but for all intents and purposes, that's what conversion funnel looks like. If you have a good product and your videos are simple and engaging, this funnel will work almost every time. You can also sell premium videos. There's a couple of different platforms out there. We're going to talk about Yondo. If your end goal is to actually make money from the videos, there's a far better option than simply relying on your measly allocation of ad revenue. Instead, create a YouTube channel and build an audience. The primary goal is to engage this audience and build a brand name. Then, once you've established a reputation, begin driving traffic to your own landing pages where you can upsell viewers with premium video content. One of the best ways to do this is using a platform like Yondo. That's YONDO, which lets you create your own store that sells on-demand video content with your own domain. You can sell pay-per-view rentals, monthly subscriptions, or anything in between. Best of all, you get to set your own prices and you don't have to split the revenue down the middle with YouTube, those scallywags. The next way you can make money with YouTube is with affiliate links. This is something I do. Affiliate marketing is obviously a hugely popular online money making opportunity. The issue is that there are so many affiliate marketers don't push forth the effort it takes to actually generate a sizable income. Instead of relying on static blogs to drive people to affiliate links, try creating a lively YouTube channel and using it as the primary catalyst. As the internet continues to move forward towards video as the primary form of content, you can get ahead of the curve and begin to benefit now. So anything that you're selling online or anything that's for sale online is usually an affiliate link. Think Amazon, think Walmart, think any of the ClickBank products, think high ticket items. That's what you want to be doing, and if you want to know more about that, just reach out to me and let me know. But that's what you want to be directing the traffic towards and your affiliate links towards. And if you're doing high ticket items, like I keep talking about, it's a lot easier to make $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month if you're selling products that are worth $5,000 and $10,000. That's why you want to be doing high ticket affiliate sales. So if you're interested in that, I keep going on about it, you know where I am. Attract sponsorships. This is another way to make money. If you study the most successful YouTubers, you'll notice the sponsorships and advertisements that they have in their video recordings. These deals are opportunities the video makers have discovered on their own. The great thing about sponsorships is that you don't have to give YouTube a cut. Plus, you can negotiate whether contracts you want based on impressions and the size of your audience. In most cases, the amount of revenue you generate from sponsorship is sustainably more than YouTube ad revenue. And you can still generate ad revenue, so it's like having two sources of income with the same video. Now, as we said at the start of the video, YouTube is cracking down on how they do their ad revenue because of the couple of controversies they've had in the last while. So now that you have to meet a certain set of criteria, you have to have, I think it's 4,000 hours of view time per month, and you also have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, you need to be working on that. But sponsorship is definitely the way to go. Another way you can make money on YouTube is advertising yourself and then moving into the live speaking engagements arena. Leverage your YouTube reputation and attract live speaking engagements. If the YouTube channel you produce is focused on a specific niche or audience, do some research about annual conferences or other industry events that have keynote speakers. Then, utilize your YouTube statistics and some of your best clips to put together a package and pitch to directors of these events. Live speaking engagements can be very lucrative. I know this from a fact. It's possible to generate thousands of dollars from just an hour-long presentation. So make sure you're seeking out these opportunities and never disregard a chance to grow your audience. So, can you make real money with YouTube? Absolutely you can. Are you going to generate a massive income by relying on their ad revenue? No, not unless you have a huge channel, you're not. And you're not unless you're getting a lot of views. Instead, you need to identify ways in which you can leverage YouTube's network to accomplish revenue streams. And we've just gone through that. Basically, there's 5 points there. Links, Spotify, engagements, brand building, sponsorship deals. It's all there. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you're interested in the high ticket affiliate sales, leave me a note down below. I'll hook you up. I've left a couple of other videos up in the corners here. I think you'll like them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do you have any other ways of making money online or making money from YouTube? Leave a comment down below, guys. Don't forget to like and share. And until next time, check out these videos and let's be careful out there.